Google Flow works on a strict credit system. If you jump straight into generating video without a structured workflow, you will quickly exhaust your entire monthly allowance on unusable clips. By the end of this video, you will know the exact workflow required to build a multi-clip stitched sequence like this, efficiently and intentionally. To execute this process, you need two things: an active Google AI Pro or Ultra subscription, and access to the Flow URL, which is linked in the description below. The golden rule of Flow production is straightforward. Always build your foundation with cheap image generations before committing to expensive motion processing. Step 1 is setting up your project. Open the menu and select Image Mode. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16, choose the Nano Banana 2 model, and type a simple prompt like a cat. Before you initiate the generation, check the credit estimator at the bottom of your screen. Right now, this initial test image costs 0 credits. A common error is typing changes into the bottom text box. That box generates new images, not edits. To edit, click the specific image. Tell the right-hand panel to change the blanket to orange. It updates the asset and logs the edit in history. Now we want that exact same cat in a different environment. Return to the prompt box, click the plus icon to add your edited image as a reference ingredient, and prompt Flow to create an image of the cat in a tree. Locking down your character details and colors during this free static phase acts as an insurance policy. It prevents you from spending credits on continuity errors later in production. With the visual foundation approved, we move to motion. Add your finalized cat image as a reference ingredient again, and switch the main menu dropdown from image to video. You must set the video aspect ratio to exactly match the 9:16 ratio of your reference ingredient. If these numbers differ, Flow will stretch and distort your output. Type your motion instructions, like the cat rolls over on his back. Look at the credit estimator one more time. Motion requires significant computing power, so this action will cost you around 10 credits. Here is the resulting asset: a perfectly smooth animation of the cat rolling over, based entirely on our provided reference image. To complete our narrative, we need a second clip to precede this one. Leave the reference image area blank and submit a pure text prompt for a woman walking around her house looking for a cat. Generating these two disparate clips, one guided by a visual reference and the other driven by text, gives you modular building blocks to assemble a full cohesive scene. To combine the building blocks, select both the video of the woman and the video of the cat and click Add to Scene. Flow will initialize a shared timeline for both clips. Reviewing the raw outputs reveals two continuity errors. In the first clip, the woman finds the wrong cat. In the second clip, there is a minor visual glitch right before the cat starts its roll. This diagram illustrates the fix. Inside the timeline, click the ends of the clips and drag their outer edges inward. Trim the first clip before she spots the wrong cat, and trim the second clip to begin exactly when the glitch ends. When your cuts are clean, hit Done to save the sequence. To export it, navigate to the All Media panel, locate your new scene file, and click Download. By utilizing Flow's internal timeline capabilities, you resolve the errors neatly. You eliminate the need to export flawed clips and fix them in an external video editor. The final sequence plays cleanly. The woman searches, and the cut lands exactly on the action of the correct cat rolling over. This deliberate sequence was built efficiently because we finalized the static elements before we spent a single credit rendering video frames. Now that your project is exported, click your profile in the top right corner. Check your counter to verify your remaining monthly allowance so you can budget your future renders. Once you have a handle on this process, you can explore Flow's advanced tools. The avatar feature lets you scan your face directly into a prompt, and the agent chatbot will actively brainstorm storyboards for you. Mastering the UI distinction between creating entirely new assets and editing existing ones is what separates users who drain their accounts from users who consistently output polished sequences.